Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our 87 R10 or Chevy C10 Silverado. They're called R10s because they changed them, got fuel injected engines in them. This one actually has 5.7, not too many of the two-wheel drives do, but there you can see the hood looks good. If you look close, you might see, I really can't see them out here right now, but so they don't show up much, but a few little tree sap stains. But pretty nice truck. Seen the pictures, there's a little bit of bubbling here and there, but not bad. There's a seat. Obviously one of the guys was a smoker at one time. Shows 77,606. I'm not selling that as actual. I was told it's actual, but I'm not selling it because I don't have any documentation. Headliner sagging a little bit. Power windows and locks. This side's pretty good. Got a little bubble right here. Did it have a little bubble? No. Yep, little bubble right there also. We try to show you everything we can so you know what you're getting. No surprises when it arrives at your home. But nice clean truck for the most part. You know, no rust in the bad where they rust in them corners. This is the worst spot over here is this bedside. Got some rust on this quarter here, a few lighter scratches. I don't think there's any bubbling on this cab corner. Maybe right there, yeah, maybe a little bit. Sorry for that one. So, pretty nice pickup, especially for the price range. It's 350 fuel injected, AC. I think everything works on it, so nice cruiser truck. 605-695-7391.